Hi, it's Stacy here. Some of you are familiar with our free blocks plugin, Getwid, and today I will talk about its ready-to-use layouts like these ones. For those of you who haven't used Getwid yet, this plugin is a great solution if you want to extend the default WordPress design options with advanced blocks without any cost to your website speed. To install Getwid, go to the Plugins tab, Add New, search for Getwid, install, and activate. Getwid comes with more than 40 custom blocks with flexible design settings, but the ready-to-use layouts take your website building experience to the next level. Whether you create 10 websites per week for clients or work on your own website, you may find it time-consuming to build every page from scratch. These layouts, pre-made by our designers, save a lot of your time, because with them, all you need to do is pick a layout and substitute sample content with your own. Furthermore, these layouts allow for advanced design adjustments to make your website look truly unique. Open a page that you want to edit and click on the plus icon. Find the Get with Blocks section and pick Template Library. Click Insert Template to select one from the library. All these templates are categorized by sections. For now, they are About Us, Call to Action, Contact Us, FAQ, Features, Hero, Image Gallery, Logo Grid, Newsletter Subscription, Price List, Services, Sub-Hero, Team, and Testimonials. Pick a category, search by a keyword, or just scroll down to find the layout that meets your needs. Hover over a template and click Insert Template in the bottom right corner for it to appear on your page. Now add it away. Simply click on the content that you want to change and insert your own text or change the settings in the right-hand panel. Each block of these layouts can be found in the Get with Blocks section and used separately. If you need more guidance with these blocks, we have a list of video tutorials where you can find answers to your questions or turn to our support forums. Let us know in the comments below what other layouts you would want to see in Getwid. Thank you for watching and have a good one!